Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to teach you negative sentences, how to form negative sentences. In our previous videos we learnt verb, transitive and intransitive verbs, finite and non-finite verbs. Okay, so let us see how to make negative sentences. So statements are two types. They are affirmative and negative. You know what is an affirmative sentence? Okay, so if they are positive, affirmative is nothing but positive. Negative sentences are negative. They have not in the sentences. So if the statement made by a speaker, they can be affirmative or they can be negative. If they declare what happened, what was said or done, etc., is an affirmative sentence. They can be negative also. Statements can be negative if the statement state what did not happen, what was not said, what was not done, etc., it's called negative. So let us look at the sentences, affirmative sentences. First sentence is the match will start in an hour. Okay, this is positive sentence or affirmative sentence. Okay, this tells about a person or object or an event, right? So Raju is laughing at me. The boys have taken the books. These three sentences are affirmative or positive sentence, right? So let us move to negative sentences. So let's read the examples. The match will not start in an hour. Not. Raju is not laughing at me. The boys have not taken the books. Not. So compare the three sentences with the sentences above in the affirmative. So in this sentence we inserted not between auxiliary verb and also main verb. Okay, we put not between auxiliary and main verb. Okay, so now it becomes negative sentence. The match will start in an hour. The match will not start in an hour, right? So Raju is not laughing at me. Just to be inserted not after the auxiliary. The boys have not taken the books. So we put not. She hasn't returned books to me. So in these sentences, not is inserted between auxiliary verb and a main verb. So this is a method of forming negative sentences, changing affirmative into negative. This is the model. Just you insert not between auxiliary and the verb. So in the case of an affirmative sentences that has only a main verb, the do forms are used. So in previous slide we have auxiliary verbs, right? Is, or, am, was, were. Okay, so just we added not. I am not a doctor. She is not a teacher. They are not playing. Just we added or inserted not. It was very simple. But here there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence. You see, no am, is, are, was, were here, or have, can, could, would, will, not. So they are not here. So Ramu makes kites. This sentence has no auxiliary verb. It contains main verb. Okay, this is main verb. This V1 plus S. So now we have to form negative according to the tense. This is in simple present tense. So V1. So in simple present tense, the subject is third person. Ramu, he, third person. So with third person we use does. He, she, it. We use does not to form negative. Ramu does not make kites. They like football. They don't like football. Here also there is no auxiliary verb. We use do not, do not. He, she, it does not. I, we, you, we, they, you take do not. I, we, you, they. These take do not. But third person singular, he, she, it takes does not in negative sentences. You see, she does not, he does not, it does not. She takes coffee, she does not take coffee, she doesn't take coffee. In contract form, she doesn't. In spoken form, we say she doesn't take coffee. Okay. So he went to market. Sorry, here it is typo. Uh, you please make correct went. Write to after this went. Okay. Uh, went to market. Please, yeah, please right there. Yeah, right. That there you please insert TO2. He went to market yesterday. Right. So he did not go to market yesterday. Here we use did because went is V2. This is past tense. This is past tense. So we use did. For present tense we use do, does. Do for I, you, I do not, we do not, you do not, they do not. He does not, she does not, it does not. That is in present tense. But in past tense we use did for all pronouns. First person, second person, third person, singular, plural. We use did. And also we use V1 in the negative sentence. Okay. I play chess. I do not play chess. Next, in imperative sentences, what are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are those sentences like commands, requests, go there, come here, close the door, give him textbook. So these are all commands, requests are all called imperative sentences. So this is how to make these imperative sentences into negative. Just you put do not before the sentence. Put away the crockery. Do not put away the crockery. Right. Give him your book. Do not give him your book. Just put the words do not before the sentence. Imperative sentence. Okay. Don't give him your book. Don't put away the crockery in spoken English. Right. Look at this. Don't look at this. Do not or don't look at this. So contracted forms aren't, are not. In spoken English we use contracted forms. Do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, is not, isn't, was not, wasn't, weren't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, won't, will not. Okay. So this is a method of forming negative sentences. I hope you understand well. Now in this video you have learnt how to form negative sentences with auxiliary verbs and without auxiliary verbs. okay, and also contracted forms, right? Thank you for okay, and we have one more slide here. This is an exercise. So use form negative sentences. I have given positive sentence. Please change it into negative. And I have done answers for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. So 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, you do the exercise for 6th, 7, 8, 9, right? Okay. So looking at the above examples, you please answer them, right? So that's why I left for you, and so please listen to me carefully so that you can do these 4 sentences, right? I'm a doctor. Just simply add not. I'm not a doctor. She wants to learn a ballet. She doesn't want to learn ballet, right? Does not, because this is V1. So she takes does in present tense. Does not. He does not. She does not. It does not. Include this amount in your bill. This is imperative sentence. So imperative sentence to form negative, what we do? Just we put do not before beginning. Do not before at the beginning of the sentence. Do not include this amount in your bill. She returned to India in a month. Should not. This is returned V2. So this is in past tense. So in past tense we use did to form negative sentence. She did not return to India in a month. Raju is happy. Raju is not happy. So you remaining 4 sentences you try to answer them. Okay, these are left for you. Okay, so with this we finish this chapter. Thank you for listening to the video.